Yo, we was little niggas from down the way. To get money, we go out our way. You know how I play. I bag up 20s and move a pound a day. The type of shit I'm on, she gon' take off her lingerie. We was broke, holding the ceiling with no hope. No pops to show us the ropes. We was like the Bills, we just needed a coach. I had to pay bills, they needed to smoke. Been through so much shit and we just needed love. And killed one of my niggas and we needed blood. And they wonder why we greedy thugs. Let down so many times, I needed lifting up. When I was down, nobody picked me up. Get up off my knees, I had to pick me up. Roll up my sleeves, I had to pick heat up. In that trap all night, I was straight G'd up. Ham on my lap while I'm weighing up. I know my time gon' come if I keep on going. Keep on getting rich, it's gon' keep on showing. I'm already knowing. I'm already knowing. I'm already knowing. We was living in Income Bay. Shit, no nothing bay. Sick, Bentley or Wraith. Shit, just cause you get money don't mean the way. Stick, I can't get with none of this fake shit. I came too far to just let up now. Deuce want a new crib and I can't let her down. We came from nothing, see how I made it into something. I get paid to talk my shit and travel across the country. Shit would've killed for this money. Few of my dogs kept it real for this money. Feel like God telling me something. Just keep on going and he gon' keep on blessing. Stay out the way, put down that Smith & Wesson. All that shit you been through, it was just a lesson.